Hello there, my name is Michael Neff. I'm the founder and director of Gears Sports, and this video is about torso and pelvis lift at the top of your backswing. Okay, so when you get to the top of your backswing, that is basically where the club transitions from the backswing to the downswing. Lift is where your pelvis and your torso are going up or down. Okay, that's what we're calling lift. And your chest is basically your torso, and your pelvis is right, basically your midsection here. The center of both of those joints is what we're talking about here. The tour plate, if you got a red or yellow flag, basically in this scenario at the top of your swing, you're basically standing straight up and down. Most of you are not going to go too much in negative lift for both these things. It's possible that your torso will go down too much, and there will be an alarm there. But in both those cases, if you basically do this, golf bag on the butt, you want to put your head, this is kind of just this little foam, little noodle thing that you, like you get at a Home Depot or some kind of store. You can also just have somebody hold your head here or put your head against the wall. But as you take the club back, as long as you keep your butt against this bag and your head against the wall, you will not have a problem with a lift alarm go off. You won't have a problem with too much lift in either the pelvis or torso segments. So again, keep your head kind of in this bubble here, and don't thrust your pelvis towards the target or towards the ball, and that'll be a good one for you.